and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Today we will see how to trellis tomato plant with the telephone system. Friends, we can grow the tomatoes on the raised bed and spreading on the bed. But what happens, the parts of the tomato near to the soil are get infected with the diseases or get infested with the pest. So if we trellis them in the vertical position, then all the tomato plant will get the good sunlight and good aeration, which will make our plant very healthy and give us a good quality fruits. Now today we are going to fix trellis for these tomato plants. For that we have already cut the bamboos with the required size. So we are keeping these bamboos around 7 to 8 feet. So our trellis will be at a height of 6 feet at least at all the line. Now we will start fixing these bamboos. So we have cut this one end sharp, which we are going to put in, and we are going to insert this bamboo around 1 to 1.5 feet inside the soil, so it will be stable. So this is what we are placing the bamboos. Then we will hammer it and tight it to at least 1 to 1.5 feet. So with this fixing, it will be stable and it will take the load of the tomato plant as well as the tomato. So you can see that now our is fixed and this is like pretty steady. Further we are going to tighten it with the additional lock with the thread. So after fixing all this bamboo into row, our row will be like this. Once we will fix all the bamboo, we will start the working for fixing the top rope and trellising it. Now we have fixed all the poles and tied the rope over the poles. Now we are going to tie this pole into the position that it will take the load. So for that we are putting one additional bamboo diagonally, which will keep this pole into vertical position and take the load. So once we put this, we need to tight this. Once we put it into position, we will tie up with the wire so that it will not shift from its position. So this arrangement will keep the bamboo into right vertical position. Now we will start stretching the top rope, which is going to bear all the load. So with every pole we are going to tighten it like this. Now after tightening this rope, we will fix this rope in a position. Then we are again going to tighten this with the help of another bamboo in the same manner as we have tightened over there. And now we are going to tighten it with the wire. So this will keep our rope into straight position, and then we will tie all the tomato plants with the help of a thin thread. Now we are tying this each plant with the help of this thin thread. So we need to make a loose knot at the bottom of the plant. Then we need to round the thread to the stem so that it supports it, and then tie it on the top. So this is very simple. When the plant grows further, we need to simply tie this like this. So this is another one we are tying. We'll tie again this with a 2 or 3 another thread when the branching will come off. So this is how we need to complete all this tying up. Once we complete all the tying up, this will look something like this. So here we have tied all these plants. You can see that all plants are tied up in a vertical position, and when the plant grow further, we just simply need to round this stem around this like this. So these are our tomatoes. Now we have trellised this. You can see that it has already grown to the 3 to 4 feet height. See, almost this is 3 to 5 feet. Now this has also started branching also. This is my determinate variety of tomato. So you can see that flowering also has started. So we need to keep this regularly updated on the threads, and when it require, we'll put some extra threads also. So with this method, we'll get the good yields and good healthy plants.